needs a keyword. So this is a great plugin that just does a whole bunch of really neat stuff. Sweet. Let's analyze this. That's pretty good. It's in the green, right? What are some of the things I could do different? Add more headings, add a better meta description, internal links, add some more outbound links. We have the image alt tags, right? We have the video. Let's go to links, SEO targets. And at first I was a little confused by this. Hold on. If you click on it, so what it does, oh, okay, I mean, yeah, I shouldn't be confused by it, right? Okay, it says home and it says category. So it adds a page to the home page. Or if you want to add it to another category, reverse mobile, which will go to my page that's called reverse mobile. Okay, simple. Assign as SEO target. Okay. Authority. Okay, so you could change that. So that's pretty much everything. Let me find out how to get this news thing up and running. So, because I hit search and I get this weird fatal error. Oh, that was it. That's all I needed to do. I just needed to update my WordPress settings. So now the news section works. That's very simple, right? So let's try out the news section. So now it adds news articles. Now let's view this post. As you can see, I would not use an image that's this big. But you get the idea. Adds the links. It shows some blogs. You go to the news area. And look, the Houston Chronicle. You are linking to a site that is that has high authority, which is perfect. And look, reverse phone number lookup in the Houston Chronicle. So, I mean, taking a look at all of this and, trying this out. Thank you, Brian, by the way, for letting me try this out. I mean, push button SEO is super, super simple. And, this is perfect for anyone just starting out, or perfect for people that have been doing this for a while. Because, it's as simple as, like I was explaining before, you want to check to see, you have everything in order and stuff. You just go here and look, you have the meta title, right, meta description, the headings, internal links, so on and so forth. And you can look right there and see that there's really nothing that needs to be done. And it gives you a suggestion of adding H2 through H6 tags. This is a great plugin. So check it out, and you could get it from my website below these videos.